Hello, all, and welcome to yet another episode of No Breaks, where we bring to you the latest technology around you and make your tea break more knowledgeable. We present to you the quick insights on Xilinx's new applications with cost-optimized UltraScale Plus portfolio. Let us first start with understanding a few terms. So, what is adaptive computing? The term adaptive computing refers to the ability of the computing system to adapt multiple properties during runtime. It has provided many advanced tools and applications to some of the world's largest high-performance computing installations for more than a decade. By the way, do you know what is special in UltraScale Plus? UltraScale Plus is designed for applications that require ultra-compact and intelligent edge solutions. Its form factor is 70% smaller than traditional chip-scale packaging. So, the new Artix and Zynq UltraScale Plus devices can now address a wider range of applications within the industrial, vision, healthcare, broadcast, consumer, automotive, and networking markets. It is the world's only hardware adaptable cost-optimized portfolio based on 16 nanometer technology. Hence, Artix and Zynq UltraScale Plus devices are available in TSMC's state-of-the-art INFO integrated fan-out packaging technology. Using INFO, Artix and Zynq UltraScale Plus devices meet the need for intelligent edge applications by delivering high compute density, performance per watt, and scalability in compact packaging options. What is Zynq UltraScale Plus MPSoCs optimized for? Zynq UltraScale Plus MPSoCs is optimized for cost and power. It includes the new ZU1 and production-proven ZU2 and ZU3 devices, all available in info packaging, as a part of the multiprocessing SoC line from the Zynq UltraScale Plus family. ZU1 is designed for connectivity at the edge and for industrial and healthcare IoT systems, including embedded vision cameras, AV over IP, 4K and 8K ready streaming, handheld test equipment, as well as consumer and medical applications. ZU1 is built for miniaturized computer-intensive applications and powered by a heterogeneous ARM processor-based multi-core processor subsystem, while also being able to migrate to common package footprints for greater compute. Well, what is the special feature of Artix and Zynq UltraScale Plus? Artix and Zynq UltraScale Plus are scalable and secure. With the addition of Artix devices and the extensions to the Zynq UltraScale Plus family, Xilinx portfolio now spans across the high-end with Vertex UltraScale Plus to the mid-range with Kintex UltraScale Plus to the cost-optimized low-end Zynq UltraScale Plus. These new devices round out the portfolio and provide scalability for customers to develop multiple solutions using the same Xilinx platform. This preserves design investments across the portfolio and speeds time to market. Security is a critical component in Xilinx designs, and both cost-optimized Artix and Zynq UltraScale Plus families include the same robust security features found across the UltraScale Plus portfolio. Included are RSA 4096 authentication, AES CGM decryption, DPA countermeasures, and Xilinx's proprietary security monitor IP that adapts to security threats across the product life cycle, meeting the security needs for both defense and commercial projects. Do you wish to know more about such amazing technologies that are changing in the world around you? Follow us for the latest updates.